Winona has long been known as a town of arts and industry, sprouting festivals and Fortune 500 companies alike. But as expenses grow and tools get more complex, it's harder to start a project out of your own garage. We think there's a better way for our community. Introducing Winona Creators Collective, a new nonprofit creating a community makerspace in town. Expected to open in late 2025, the makerspace will have a wide range of tools, from table saws and CNCs to 3D printers and pottery wheels, and much more. You can get a day pass, take an individual class, or sign up for a monthly membership. We'll have studios and tools for woodworking, metal, pottery and ceramics, glass, 3D printing and prototyping, recording space, co-working, and private office and studio rentals. If you're starting a business, creating an art project, or just learning a new skill, we can help. And what better place to house all this equipment than a 22,000 square foot manufacturing facility, the past home of Technograph? We're raising $250,000 in funds to stock the tools and prepare the space for a late 2025 opening. Learn more about the space, discounted founders memberships, and how you can help at winonacreators.org.